For this video, we are going to be using short multiplication to find the answer to the question 541 multiplied by 6. So when completing this question, you're going to lay it out exactly like you would column addition or column subtraction. Starting with the larger number first, 541, and then I'm going to make sure it's lined up properly, so that's hundreds, tens and ones, and so the 6 goes under the ones. And then I'm going to put a multiplication sign so that it's not confused with column addition or column subtraction. And then we start finding the answer. So as you would usually do with column addition or column subtraction, you're going to start with the ones column. So you're going to start off with 6 times 1, or if you prefer, 1 times 6. So the answer to that is going to be 6. Now, moving across, this is really 40 times 6. But to make things easier in our head, we can see it as it's just 4, but put in the tens column. So 4 times 6, or 6 times 4, is 24. So you're going to put the ones here, and you're going to carry the tens across. And in this case, it's now going to be 500 times 6, but as it's placed in the hundreds column, we could just read it as 5 times 6 to make it easier. So 5 times 6 is 30, add 2 is 32. So the answer to the question 541 times 6 is going to be 3,246. And that method can be very helpful, but it's just a reminder that when you are carrying, you always put the number from the ones column underneath and carry the tens across.